And this is why it gets very complex, medical scholars, and it's important for you to begin to really understand what are your learning preferences and work closely with your academic advisor or medical education learning specialist on what resources are optimal for you. So I'm going to unpack it briefly. And that is before we get to the question banks, commonly called Q banks. You listed when we had the fun game the different types of fact recall resources like first aid, there's the deja vu series, there's the high yield series, there's Anki. These are all fact recall resources. They all have the same facts. The organizational presentation to understand those facts are different. That's what I mean by learning preferences. So it's important to explore which ones are meaningful for you. And that can be done very simply by looking at the free sample of those type of resources electronically. They're always free samples so you can get a feel of it, right? Before you just take someone else's word. The same thing with the advanced resources like Pathoma and Boards and Beyond and Sketchy and Picturize. These all are organized different ways with different types of visuals, sometimes with mnemonics with visuals, sometimes with larger charts. It depends on how the person likes to take information in. It allows them, for those advanced thinking resources, to draw connections differently, not just see facts, but to see relationships. Because of the way they organize information, you can see and understand relationships.